In this video, we'll show you how to install and activate your OXeSIM on an Android device, step by step. If you're using an iPhone, please check the iPhone tutorial on our channel. Follow along carefully and keep your phone screen open during setup. Step 1. Open Settings on your Android phone. Tap Connections, then select SIM Manager. On some Android devices, this menu may appear under Network and Internet, or SIMs. Next, tap Add eSIM to begin the setup. Step 2. Tap Add to start installing your eSIM. Keep this screen open while the setup continues. The installation may take a few minutes, so do not close the page. Once the setup is complete, tap Done. Step 3. Keep calls and messages connected to your main SIM. For mobile data, select your new eSIM. Your OXeSIM plan might be data only, so your main SIM should stay selected for calls and texts. When prompted, tap Change to confirm. Step 4. Open Connections again, then go to Mobile Networks. Make sure data roaming is turned on. Roaming must be enabled for your OXeSIM eSIM to connect properly while you travel. You're all set. Your OXeSIM eSIM is now ready to use. We wish you a safe trip, smooth connection, and happy travels. Thank you for choosing OXeSIM.